In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Snapchat calls. First, open your Snapchat, tap on the chat box on the bottom part. Now here, you'll be able to see all your messages and all your contacts. Now you can create or make your new calls by just typing on that specific name of the person that you want to talk to or call to. However, if there are people who keeps calling you and it annoys you, all you have to do is just to long press their name, and then you'll be able to click chat settings and then untoggle that message notification. With that, even if they're calling you or messaging, you won't be able to hear the sounds or get notified about it. Now, the sound will be also deleted or won't be heard. And since we cannot do that in Snapchat to totally delete or totally ban the call sound, you can go to your settings and tap on private and security, tap on your microphone, just untoggle Snapchat, and it will completely disable all the sound. Also with the camera of the Snapchat, all the incoming calls or messages, everything will be disabled, so you won't be able to hear. However, if you will use Snapchat again, it will ask you to access your camera, your microphone, and you'll be able to hear again the sound. Now, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.